Hello students, our today's lecture is based on famous poem Tree Huggers. Before starting the poem, let me tell you something about famous poet Todd Michael St. Pierre. He is a famous poet. He also wrote some of the songs and plays for children. He is a famous storyteller also. Here, some of his published works are also mentioned. Before starting the poem, let me clear the title of the poem. Tree Huggers. My dear students, it consists of two words, tree plus huggers. You might have read about Chipko movement. In that, people hug the trees to save them. Here also, what does tree hugger means? It means an environmentalist, especially one who concerned with preserving forests, preserving trees, who stops people to cut the trees. Before proceeding with my lecture, I am here with a question for you as a warm-up activity. What would happen if there were no trees on earth? How can we stop that from happening in the future? I will answer this question at the end of the video. Let me tell you the summary of the poem. The poem Tree Huggers is about loving nature and trees. We should be grateful to the trees for giving us so much and providing shelter to animals, birds, and other living things. The speaker asks the children to gather around trees and hug them to show them love for all the precious things they give us: walnuts, sweet apples, shade above small chapels, home for squirrels and crows, and oxygen. The speaker asks people to form an endless line and take turns and hug a mighty tree. And if grown ups judge them, to ask them whether children are being taught non-challenge in school. The speaker asks us to prioritize Earth, to bring about change by spreading awareness and hugging a tree. Here, poet also used symbolism. He used seasons as a symbol, like spring for birth, winter for death. Summer is representing here youth, and autumn adulthood or maturity. So here literary device used is symbolism. Let me answer the warm up question. First, I would repeat the question. What would happen if there were no trees on earth? How can we stop that from happening in the future? Life could not exist without trees. This is the answer of our question. What would have happened if there were no trees on the earth? My dear students, if there are no trees, there would be no life, because trees produce oxygen that humans and wildlife breathe. There would be no rain without trees. Trees act as air filters. Trees provide a supply of lumber, seeds, and fruits, and etc. Further, dead trees that fall and get buried in the soil eventually provide fossil fuel such as coal and petroleum product, among other things. Trees can also act as noise filters. Trees muffle urban clamor almost as well as walls do. So, my dear students, what is the message from the poem that we get? We get that change should be brought from within of the human beings, and this message should be spread. Awareness needs to be spread. Our priority should be taking care of our planet Earth. We should not take care our planet for granted. Only then we can bring about change in our surroundings. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you enjoyed the lecture.